Namaskaram. Welcome to Bhavitharam. Today we are going to talk about zero oil based cooking. Okay. So before that, let me share the screen, the presentation, how it works, and why we are talking about the zero based oil cooking. Okay, so zero oil cooking, why and how it is helpful. So let's look into this, right? So why we are doing this? First thing is eliminate the processed foods from our day-to-day basis using it. Like we have a refined oil, double filter on all different kind of oils, right? So we want to avoid the processed foods from our cooking, right? The next one is oil has a high calorie value and void of nutrition. There are not much nutrition. Third is it has a high fats which may lead to heart diseases. And oil also, oil-free diets may reverse type 2 diabetes or heart health. Okay. Now, by the way, just a disclaimer here. Views or suggestions presented here in this video is not a professional advice. Use it on your own discretion or choosing to adapting these steps, okay, or seek an expert advice, okay, right? With that, now let's we are going to show you a demonstration of the cauliflower curry today with zero based oil. Now let's show you how it works. We are going to show, and then at the end of the meeting we'll also, at the end of the video, we also show the sampling, but of course we cannot give it you in person, but at least I will get a chance and opportunity to taste it. Okay. Right. So and also it all depends on the person to person, your body, your health, how it is, right? So that's why we definitely want you to take at your own discretion before you start using this, because health is health. Our goal is to provide you the best possible ideas and suggestions that can help you to take care of your health. Right now, let's dive into the live demonstration of the curry preparation. So you can see here the cauliflower pieces cut into medium size. Of course, again, you can cut it small or medium, right? Then we'll show you the different items that we have. This is like a sesame seed and a little bit peanuts, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, whatever the spices you need. And again, this cumins, the peanuts or the sesame seeds are also optional, but we want to make it a little bit flavorful. So that's why we are using the sesame seeds here, right? And this is actually cranberry sauce we are making. Again, cranberry sauce is optional too. We use cranberry or tomatoes or tamarind, right? So with a little bit spices in it, like cranberry, because it gives a good flavor and antioxidants too, right? We add some ginger, some onions, garlic, and all these things put together will just make a little bit of liquid or a sauce, you can, if you will, right? So she's going to show the demonstration how the sauce we are making. Of course, a small blender that we are going to do it, right? So now that the sauce is done, the next part is to make the powder, right? So these things to add a little bit flavor and also taste for the food that you're cooking. right? It all again customizable based on your needs and how you feel like you can use it. But she's putting in a little bit powder grinder, and she's going to make the powder. So thank you, Shailaja, for taking time and demonstrating all of these things for us. We really appreciate. And by the way, she is a very good cook. She makes very care of ingredients and also the process that she follows. And for a few months we are doing this. Okay, now we can show which vessel we to use again to cook, right? So here we have a regular vessel, right? Then we have pressure cooker, and now we have the Instapot, right? Everybody, whichever vessel you want to, you pick up. And if it is an Instapot or pressure cooker, it's very easy. Just all you put everything inside and just cook it based on your convenient and how you want to cook it. But today we have taken a chance or planning to do on a regular pot, because most people may want to see, hey, how it is going to come in the regular pot, right? So that's why we chosen to do this today, right? So what we are going to do is, when you are starting this cooking, of course, most of the time this cooking happens on a very low heat. That's also another advantage. Okay, basically you are going to save your fuel as well, right? So again, regular there are multi varieties of vessels out there. If you are looking for regular vessels and any kind of help you need in choosing the right vessels that are special purpose vessels are there, which can lock in the nutrients and cook very well, right? So now we are using the starting the cooking. So now normally what you do, you put a oil, right? What you are doing today is going to just warm the vessel little bit, or the pan, you can, let's say pan, right? And put a little bit cumin seeds or a little mustard seeds, things like that, okay? Just to dry roast them, right? So that when you dry roast them, it gives a very good flavor for our food, right? So once they are a little bit dry roasted, and then we are going to add the cranberry sauce. Again, as I said, cranberry sauce is a optional, depending upon your choice of flavor, the kind of gravy you want, right? Because as I said, it is more, zero based oil is healthier, but when you add cranberry, things like that, antioxidants, and it even makes even more healthier cooking, right? So that's why, right? So that's another reason. So it's better to have more and more healthier, right? More nutrients you are adding, right? So she's adding a little bit turmeric. Again, nowadays this has become very popular. Everybody is talking about turmeric, but most Indian cookings are always using the turmeric. Turmeric is like an antibiotic and antiseptic. So some people use hing. That is also good for digestion, they call. So again, it also gives a good flavor to it. So these are the spices are up to you. You know what you want to add. Now she's adding chili powder, right? So by the way, this recipe we are going to add it in the description of the video. So just in case if you want to refer to it and you want to make it and or customize it always, right? This is not like a patented one or something like that. So you can always add and make changes to the recipe that you want based on the choice or the taste or how you eat, right? Because different people have different choices. So now what we are going to do is we are going to cover the vessel pan for a minute or two, just to cook little bit. Okay, all the spices and the sauce we put in together, just we want to make it it is flavorful and boil. Okay, so I think it's boiled now after a minute. So at this point of time, we'll add the powder that we made, right? The sesame powder, sesame and the peanuts and cumins and mustard, everything we put together, we made it a powder. Right? So we just added the powder to the pan, and again stir it fine. Then add the um, vegetables too. Today we are adding the cauliflower, but if you're making any other different curry, probably same ingredients, but the main ingredient, the curry, the item, the vegetable can change, pretty much we make more or less with a similar style, but we put a different vegetables. So that is another easiest way to do the things. And this cooks very fast and very simple and easy preparation. Not fancy or too many things are needed for you, right? Just mix it very well. And again, if you're not using the sauce or the powders and all that, that's fine to just put a little bit spices and mix it well, and add some water to the pan, and cover the lid. Cook it about on the low flame again about 5 to 7 minutes. And we usually try to keep the vegetables a little bit tender, not really mushy or very what you call soft. So that we like that. Again, it's a personal choice how you like to keep, and things like that nature, right? So now the curry is done. She is going to show the how beautifully it can see the flavor and the aroma. I really love it. I'm going to sample it. I'm the first person. I'm happy to sample it. And as I said, Shailaja cooks very nice. And let's have some sample and see how the curry came out, right? Again, our goal is to do these videos very natural way. We are not putting a lot of frills to it, or like editing and all this kind of things, right? So yeah, I get a chance to really taste, sample or taste this yummy curry, the masala cauliflower, right? With zero oil cooking, right? I'm sure it is a fantastic. So nice, beautifully came. Nice, Shailaja. Good job, right? So it is what you are doing it, right? When you are cooking like this, you may feel like that, oh, there is no oil, I may not like this, or things like that. Actually, unless we tell people, when the guests or friends come to our home, we tell that there was no oil, they don't believe us. That's a point of it, because when you cook it and start making a habit, what happens is you will understand how this tastes, right? Because before we were cooking with oil and we were enjoying with oil. Now we are not cooking with the oil, we'll enjoy with the zero oil too, right? But same time, you are able to get your healthy lifestyle back, right? That is the important key ingredient of this whole show. And we encourage each one of you to go and cook your own recipes, and put on a comments, and maybe post the pictures on our channel. We really love to hear from you. And before we wrap up, I want to bring up the presentation one more time, and see the benefits why we are doing the zero based oil cooking, so that you will remember again, and we'll come back, we'll enjoy the lifestyle that we have, right? Because when we are making certain changes in the lifestyles, the habits that you are doing, you will really enjoy things. So it is really important to make some changes. But any changes that you are interested, make slow changes, right? We said you are eliminating the processed food, oil category and all that. And now we really appreciate, please go ahead and like us, share us, subscribe to Bobby video, and post your comments. And we really appreciate for taking time and watching this, and also making our channel very successful. Okay, very successful, and we are happy. And all the best for your healthy cooking. And please go ahead and start doing the things for us, right? So with that, we are going to stop here.